The professional desktop market is facing an absolute, high-stakes reckoning right now, and Apple is quietly engineering a lethal weapon that is about to send the high-end PC workstation industry into absolute panic. For years, elite video editors, 3D artists, and software developers have been trapped in a deeply frustrating dilemma. They were forced to choose between massive, power-hungry desktop towers that create unbearable heat, or multi-component setups like the Mac Studio that clutter workspaces with an endless spiderweb of cables and external monitors. But deep inside the heavily guarded design studios of Cupertino, Apple has resurrected its most legendary, intimidating professional lineup to create the ultimate all-in-one monster, the highly classified, next-generation Apple iMac Pro. If you currently own a Mac Studio, a standard M-series iMac, or if you were about to spend thousands of dollars building a high-end Windows editing rig, you need to freeze and listen to every single word of the script. The massive hardware leaks escaping the global supply chain right now completely rewrite the rules of professional computing, proving that Apple is preparing to execute a devastating market takeover that leaves rival manufacturers completely defenseless. This is not a subtle, lazy update with a few new pastel color options or a basic port refresh. This is an aggressive, multi-billion-dollar architectural reboot designed to completely eliminate the need for traditional computer towers, packing elite, face-melting flagship performance into a single, breathtaking piece of glass and aluminum. To truly comprehend why the entire tech community is panicking over this leak, you have to look at the massive architectural upgrades hidden inside the machine's core computing matrix. Everyone assumed Apple was content letting the all-in-one line remain a casual, lightweight family machine, but internal silicon blueprints reveal that Apple is preparing to debut its highly anticipated next-generation M5 Max and M5 Ultra chip architectures directly inside this Pro-tier desktop. Squeezing a true ultra-class chip into an all-in-one chassis drops a literal atomic bomb on the market, because it delivers a level of raw, unadulterated computing power that defies the laws of traditional thermodynamics. We are talking about a 2-nanometer manufacturing process that packs a staggering number of transistors onto the silicon, crushing heavy multi-layered 8K video timelines, complex machine learning training models, and intense 3D rendering pipelines without breaking a sweat or dropping a single frame. This insane processing speed is driving a visual canvas that is causing massive shockwaves through the professional display industry. According to highly credible supply chain leaks, Apple has completely thrown away the old 24-inch display limits to introduce a massive, jaw-dropping 32-inch 7K liquid Retina